Hey friends, if copy and paste is not working on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. First is you need to make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. A simple restart can usually fix a lot of issues. Now if one of that issues will be fixed, or if the copy and paste issue or problem will be fixed after you have restarted your Windows, then good. But if not, then move to the next methods. Now, next method is you have two control keys on your keyboard, one control key at the left and one control key at the right. Now you have to switch on using the two control keys on your keyboard. So if you are using the control key at the left and this is not working, then try switching to the control key at the right. Then just press Control C and then Control V to function or to let the copy and paste function on your Windows. The next method is we also need to click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here, you need to look for keyboard. So if you find the keyboard right here, you have to click on the Run button corresponding to it. So if this is keyboard, click on the Run button corresponding to it. Now running the keyboard troubleshooter, this will help you detect or ask you the problem that you are facing with your keyboard, and it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow the suggestions and recommendations there. Then right-click at the Start button, select Task Manager. Now maximize this. Then here in the list of processes, simply search for Explorer. Then you will find Windows Explorer. Just make a right-click and then select Restart. Now once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, try to see if the problem has been fixed. Then once that is done, simply close this window. We also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Windows Update. Then here, click this button and check for updates. So this will download and install the latest update for your Windows. So you have to click on that. Now once done, simply close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here, clipboard settings, best match, click on that. Now, clipboard history, save multiple items to your clipboard. If this is switched on, just simply switch this off. So once done, close this. Then we can also run the command, which is the system file checker scan, to check for any integrity violations and to repair the system files. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd. Best match command prompt on the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here type sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between, and just hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for this verification process to be completed. Patience is the key for this. So let's just wait until it goes up to 100%. So once done, just type exit and then hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So with all the methods that I've shown you, I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.